So students, we're going to discuss equipments used in pharmacology lab or laboratory. A laboratory is a room or a place equipped for the performance of tests, experimentation, and investigative processes or procedures. What are lab equipments? Lab equipments refer to various tools used by scientists working in a lab. What are types of pharmacological apparatus? There are two types of apparatus which you can use in your pharmacology lab. First one are glasswares, then non-glasswares. Examples of glasswares include beakers, Allen-Meyer flask, volumetric flask, graduated cylinder, glass stirring rod, and funnel. Now first we are going to discuss beakers. Beakers are the simple containers which are used for routine mixing, measuring, and boiling. These are cylindrical in shape with flat bottom and a lid to pour. What is Allen-Meyer flask? Allen-Meyer flask is a flask which has a flat bottom, conical body, and cylindrical neck. The narrow neck keeps the content from spilling out. It reduces evaporative losses as compared to the beaker. Now, volumetric flask. Volumetric flask is a flat bottomed bulb with a long neck, usually fitted with a stopper. The neck has a single ring, and this ring represents the graduation mark. And this bottle or this flask also has a label. Now, graduated cylinder. These are used to accurately measure the volume as compared to the flask and the beaker. So, glass stirring rod. These are the rods which are made up of solid glass and are used for the mixing of chemicals and liquids in the lab. Funnel. Funnel is used to channel liquids into the container with small opening. Now we are going to discuss non-glasswares. Examples of non-glasswares include filter paper, triangular tripod stand, weighing balance, dissection board, dissecting kit, rabbit retainer or rabbit holder, and chymograph. Now what are filter papers? Filter papers are semi-permeable membrane barriers placed perpendicular to a liquid for filtration. These are used to separate solid fluids from the liquid. Triangular tripod stands. These are three-legged frames. It is a platform used to hold and support glasswares, for example, beakers and flasks during the experiments. Weighing balance. These are used to weigh to a very high degree of precision. Dissecting board. These dissecting boards are routinely used in pathology, tissue banking, and educational applications, for example, for dissecting frogs and to study effect of various drugs. Its idea is for supporting soft tissues that are subjected to the cutting and dissection processes. Now, what is dissecting kit? Dissecting kit basically includes scalpel, dressing forceps. It also contains a Mayo Hager needle holder, teaser needle which is angled, and a teaser needle which is straight. It also contains tissue forceps. In addition, it contains a dissecting scissor, sharp one, and dissecting scissor which is blunt. It also contains a stainless steel ruler. Now, what is rabbit retainer or rabbit holder? These are the pictures of rabbit retainers or the rabbit holders. These retainers or holders are used in experimental research to limit the movement of the rabbits. They are used for the handling and transport procedures to immobilize the rabbits or the animals during the experimental or surgical procedure. Now, chymograph. Chymograph is a cylindrical drum. It is a cylindrical drum. This is a apparatus which is extensively used in pharmacology during experiments. It also contains a writing lever which is used to trace the recordings from the tissues. And these recordings are basically used to record the magnitude and time course of the drug. So screw, its parts. Screw. This screw is used to adjust the cylinder up and down. This apparatus contains a cylinder which is adjusted by the screw. It also contains a lever clutch to change the speed. Then it contains an on-off switch to switch on or off the apparatus. Additionally, this apparatus contains a ink writing pen, which is known as kymograph ink writing pen. This kymograph contains ink writing pen system for physiological and pharmacological recordings. This kymogram ink writing pen is connected to a mechanical lever for recordings. Then all these recordings are made or recorded on a graph, and this graphical recording produced by the graph is known as kymogram. So in today's lecture, we discussed that what are the chemical equipments used in your pharmacology labs. There are two type of equipments, that may be glasswares and the non-glassware.